Hello there everybody, I'm out with the H-bike. It is actually raining, it is miserable. I'm just down like a back road here. You can see the sky before that. Just our little country road to myself. I'm not to go yet, I don't know what it's going to be like. The road's nice and wet. Right, that's enough of me being a weatherman. Driving one-handed today and all. It does want to spin out like. I wish I could grab with two hands. It's put to the right a little bit as well. Let me bring that back and adjust that. Bit more forgiving out here, and oh, it is hammering it down, like. Oh. Steering sorted out. Oh, let's put it right a little bit. And yeah, I've got to sort that out because it's all the way over. Yeah, from the box, this, yeah, I've not done it. I keep forgetting to do that. From out the box, this steering trim's horrendous. You've got to go in and actually adjust that tie rod on that. It's slammed all the way over. I've got it all the way to the left and it's still dragging a bit to the right. I need to do that. I need to obviously watch this video back. Oh my god. Bear with me, it's brutally wet. Running on 3S. Don't like that long wet grass like. Really have to drive this with two hands like. Yeah, I've had a proper crash. Oh, done nothing to the car, apart from wrap a bit of duct tape around the battery, bits of the ESC, just where the wires come out of the receiver. Just add a little bit more waterproofness, but no, probably if I did that. Oh, I'm getting wet through it, it's choking it. I reckon I'd be fine if it were a bit more open down here, a bit more forgiving. Or less trigger happy, look. I can't help but get power. Oh, not all the way down there. Bear with me, guys. Oh. We have it crashed again. Ugh. Oh, got a dent in back. That was bad. Yeah, this has not got a fan with it neither. I've ordered one. Oh, HPI RS4 has had some things ordered for it. That's going to be a total different car next time you see it. Got plans for it. And yeah, what's I doing here? Yeah, and my Sidewinder 3, my Castle. I was going to put in the Cheetah all them moons ago. I'm going to put it in this. And I've ordered the fan to go with it, because when you buy it, it doesn't have one. And it took me quite some scouring through the internet to find a fan for it. But it's the original Castle fan that goes with it. Be here soon. And that's going in this bad boy with the fan I've ordered for the motor. Just turn that steering trim down a little bit. Oh. I'll stand a better chance now. didn't get you on now.